Welcome to Expedite Demo. Let's walk through how Expedite can simplify your reporting process by streamlining report creation in EBS, allowing developers to focus more on crafting effective queries rather than getting bogged down in the technical details. We'll begin by logging into Expedite application. Based on your access privileges, you can perform a variety of actions, such as creating reports, updating them, maintaining users, and managing connections. Let's create a new report together. Start by entering a report name, a short name, and, if desired, a description. You'll also select the application where this report will reside. On the next screen, you'll provide the query that will pull the report's data. The application automatically validates your query, ensuring there are no errors. If there's an issue, you'll be prompted to correct it. You can also include a parameter query, which will display parameter details in the report's Excel output header. The application offers tools to format the query for better readability. Expedite will display the columns from your main query. Here, you have the flexibility to change the Excel labels, adjust the order of the columns, choose whether to show or hide specific columns, add totals at the bottom for numeric columns. You can apply similar settings for parameter columns and even customize the format for any date fields, including the option to display the time. In the final step, Expedite identifies the parameter fields. Here you can set prompts, value sets, and define whether each parameter is required or optional. Additionally, you can specify default types and values if needed. Once everything is set up, you have three options. Download the data definition file, download the Excel template, directly push the report to EBS, complete with all parameters, data definitions, and the Excel template. Let's push the report to EBS now. The application will confirm that the report has been created. From here, you can assign the report to a request group. Users can run the report and extract the Excel file, which will match the definition created in Expedite.